Hey everyone, welcome to Big Cals Garage. Today I'm going to do some welding on the VG. I did some the other week and full disclosure, I messed it up big time. I had a massive brain fart and was welding away and kept thinking the whole time, gee, this is going terribly, it looks terrible, but still kept going. And it wasn't until I'd done all the bits in the floor that I realised that my gas ball had run out on the MIG. So as much as my gauge was reading that it had some, obviously the gauge is stuffed and I was just wasting time. So I've had to go back through today and redo those bits and pieces, and we'll probably attack one side of the front plenum and we'll see how it turns out. Thanks guys. Alright, so I'm going to work on this driver's side front plenum, and I said in a previous video that it was rusted out down here, but you couldn't see it because the door was really on and in the way. So that's what we're dealing with right in here at the bottom of the gutter. So it's going to need pretty much that whole flat side of that replaced. I've melted out all the original lead filler to make sure there was no other issues up in here. So now that that's all melted out, I'm going to, the way I see doing it is to cut the gutter through here and bend it back out and bend this back down flat. Then it'll give me room in there to put a nice piece in and grind it all back and then bend these back up. So what I've done, I've made a template of how it is now with some reference points. So we've got, that's sort of the underside of it, and then this sits right in against the gutter like so. So hopefully should be able to get it back to where it needs to be. Alright, so here we go. There we go. So there's a bit of lead that's run back in through there. That's fallen down now. So we'll make a patch to put in there. Come back and put it in. There's our little piece. Got my little magnet. I can't find my good ones. The piece will go in there. Just nicely. Fill that hole up and weld it in. Alright, that's welded in and ground out. There's a couple of, there's a hole there and a hole there, but I'm not going to fix those until I bend this gutter back up. So that's the next step, we'll bend that back up. So there it is. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. It's a lot better than the hole that was there. So that's just got straight primer over it. Still got to get in from underneath and knock this dint out the front. That was part of from the accident. The bonnet had pressed into the corner there. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, I don't know why I have to say that, but remember to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and if you want to watch some more. Catch up.